Hi. This is a video how to change SSID and password Pocket Wi-Fi W06. Let's check it out.
Step 1. Take your cell phone or laptop, then connect with Pocket Wi-Fi. Make sure it is connected to Pocket Wi-Fi. Step 2. Open the browser application on your cell phone or laptop, and type this on your browser. Step 3. Enter username and password. For username is admin, and password is the last 5 digits of the email number listed on the back of the body pocket. Step 4.
Click Settings, LAN Settings, Security Settings.
Step 5. Change SSID 1, WPA2 or WPA, and WPA pre-shared key as you wish, like the example in this video. Click Apply, then OK to confirm, and then wait about 3 seconds and continue. Step 6. Check your pocket again, go to the About menu, greater than SSID and password. Make sure the pocket name and password already changed as you want, and do it again from step 1 if you want again change your pocket name and password.
And done. You can restart your cell phone and reconnect with Pocket Wi-Fi.